I want to assure our community, and I want to assure all of you and people across the nation who are going to be looking at this, we will achieve justice, period.
And today that quest for justice gets underway as Tulsa police officer Betty Shelby's manslaughter trial begins. And Two Works for You reporter Gitzel Puente is joining us now live from the Tulsa County Courthouse with what to expect in the case that has gripped the nation. Gitzel.
Daniel, jury selection is expected to start at 10 o'clock this morning at the Tulsa County Courthouse. Prospective jurors will have to fill out 2 questionnaires, including about their background, and that's expected to take all morning. Now, the defendant, Tulsa police officer Betty Shelby, is being tried for first-degree manslaughter. To recap the case, last September, Officer Shelby opened fire and killed 40-year-old Terrence Crutcher in North Tulsa. She was on her way to a domestic violence call when she noticed Crutcher's SUV running in the middle of the road. The defense claims that Crutcher failed to comply to Officer Shelby's commands to stop and made the officer fear for her life when Crutcher reached through the window of his SUV. However, the prosecution argues that Officer Shelby used excessive force against Crutcher and that she acted in a heat of passion when she shot him. During the investigation, the state medical examiner revealed that Crutcher was on high levels of PCP during the interaction with Officer Shelby. If the defendant is found guilty and convicted, she could face 4 years to life in prison. Judge Doug Drummond expects the jury selection to take a couple of days before both sides are able to present opening statements. We're going to be there this morning at the jury trial and bring you the latest. Reporting from downtown Tulsa, Gitzel Puente, Two Works for You.
Thank you, Gitzel. Two Works for You will be at the courthouse for the entire trial. You can follow the case's every development online. We've created a special section on our website, kjrh.com.